Hey team, welcome back. This is the channel where you get updates on tech and lifestyle products. My name is Mike, Mr. Mix of Everything, and let's get started. Alright, so Realme just launched their latest AIoT products. 3 items I have here with me: Realme Buds Air Neo, Realme PowerBank 2, and their Realme Adventure Backpack. This will also be my first time reviewing this. Alright, so Realme has always been the partner of the youth. They've been launching products that are affordable but also quality smartphone. And then recently they launched the Realme Buds Air, which sold out really fast, and also the Realme Band. Now a lot of fans of the brand are asking for more. Not just smartphone, but anything that would complement their whole tech and lifestyle needs. So that's why first up is this Realme Adventure Backpack. 32 liters, bands that you can use for whatever you'd need, easy accessible pockets on the side, easy access zipper on the side, double padded silk handle, trolley strap at the back, and so much more. But let's take a look at this closer, alright? Alright, so let's start with how it looks. Available in one color only, which is black. Design is classic military. So this one you can use maybe for office, for school, for travel, adventure. Basically anything would fit because on how it was designed. Alright, so for the buckle, safety buckle, making sure that your bag is sealed properly. It's tough. The band, you can see it has stitch on it, Dare to Leap, which is one of the taglines of Realme ever since. Side pockets, easy accessible. You can put in your tumbler, umbrella, chargers, power banks, or anything that you'd like to have an easy access to. Alright, there, side pockets on both sides. The straps, thick, comfortable when you put on your shoulder, really nice. Double padded cotton strap, so that if your bag is heavy, your hand would not get hurt, but it's also tough. Now if you can see, there's only one yellow here, this strap, making sure that you lock in your bag. If you look inside, it's big. It has a laptop sleeve inside. And what's nice about this bag is it has easy access on the side. So if you want your laptop or gadgets, easy access, you don't have to open the main access, and you can just get it from the side. It also have a strap, making sure that your laptop is locked in. There are pockets, small pockets where you can also put other stuff in so that you know where to look for it. This one also has a zipper on the other side, so you can put in small items there, maybe your wallet, cables. The bottom part is also padded, securing your gadgets and laptops and others. There's so much more. Personally, I like the design. It's classic military, goes well with anything, any event, travel, work, school. This would fit. And with its price, you'd be surprised with how affordable this is. And they also have a promo running, Lazada and Shopee. Make sure you check those out. My only comment here would be, for me, I would like to have more pockets here, maybe in front, like a main pocket, easy access also, maybe also here. So small ones, baka yung magnetic pwede. So, or baka dito sa likod na may magnetic something you can just get. So secured yung items nyo and everything there. So I like it. For me, it's a good purchase. Would definitely compete with the main backpacks that we have right now, popular ones. I guess this would hold up with the rest of the popular backpacks. So good job on this, Realme, and we'll move on to the next item. Next up, the Realme Buds Air Neo. Alright, so don't be confused. Different from the Buds Air. Their box is not that different. This one is the Realme Buds Air Neo. Actually, nabuksan ko na siya, na-unbox ko na siya a few days ago, and let me show you the back part of it. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but let me read them out for you. Super low latency, powerful R1 chip, dynamic bass boost, 13mm large driver, open up auto connection Google Fast Pair. So this is one of the features that I like dito sa Realme Buds Air is when you open it up, auto connect na siya sa gadget mo na naka-on yung Bluetooth or yung last sync niya, which is really nice. Nice feature. Bluetooth 5.0, advanced audio coding, smart touch controls, intelligent voice assistance. So dun sa Realme Buds Air, that's one of the features that I liked also kasi single tap, double tap, and triple tap it has. So you can also customize it using the Realme Link app. Realme Link app. 17 hours all-day battery life playback, which is such a relief. This, when you buy it, this is what you'd see inside the box. So later na to. Inside also is the charging cable. Now, if you look at it closely, you'd see kung bakit medyo kasi micro USB siya. So we're hoping na I was expecting na Type-C siya kasi si Realme Buds Air Type-C. But this one is micro USB, but I guess it's targeting the younger market and also making it a bit more affordable for the rest of the market. Alright, so let's check out the Realme Buds Air Neo. Same with the Realme Buds Air. Medyo same size sila, almost the same look, but not that same. Alright, so sa ilalim pa rin is yung charging port niya. Micro USB, Type-C cable, almost the same size. Well, same size. So it slides in and fits in your pocket. Okay, let me show you this one. Ito si Realme Buds Air and ito si Realme Buds Air Neo. First up is, if you see dito sa bottom, may silver part siya. Si Realme Buds Air Neo wala. Same ang bottom niya. May mga charging pins or contact points. I guess medyo dito nag-iiba na siya. Kasi si Realme Buds Air dalawa. So there. Si Realme Buds Air Neo isa, yung audio niya for a more bass effect. Wait, let me show you both left or both right. So, Realme Buds Air, Realme Buds Air Neo. Realme Buds Air dalawa ang butas niya. Realme Buds Air Neo isa, pero nalipat sa taas. Ito wala. Same lang din sa ilalim. Now, if you have these two, kanina ko lang siya nalaman, is if you get confused on which one's which, this is the Realme Buds Air. Pag si Realme Buds Air Neo nilagay mo sa Realme Buds Air, hindi siya mag-fit. Din siya. Pero it doesn't fit. Parang may magnetic reverse polar something na hindi siya papayag. Kasi nga, they're different. Now, if you put in the real one, mas easier ang, well, may magnetic snap. So, I guess that's nice and at least may safety feature para hindi ka ma-confuse kung ano ba ang dapat ilagay sa kung saan. Alright, so I mentioned yung 13mm bass boost driver, BBD, for the best audio experience in its price point. So I think I would have to agree. Bang for the buck, really worth it. When you open it up, kung saan siya last sync na phone, auto-connect siya. So it's easy connection. Fast auto connection with the gadget, tablet, laptop, or smartphone that you might have. Super low latency. Now, this is a feature na medyo i-activate mo pa siya when you hold both sides to activate and deactivate. Pero this is only applicable sa gaming mode. I guess pasok lang siya sa mga Realme phones pag naka-gaming mode siya. And as I mentioned, 17 hours playback. That's a lot of time. Now, this one also has some intelligent touch controls. Tap, double tap. But of course, you need the Realme Link app for this. Now, this app enhances yung experience with the headphones and other gadgets na connected with it. Customization and also yung updates ng earbuds you can get from here. Nga pala, I forgot to mention, the Realme Buds Air Neo is available in white right now. But soon, magiging available siya sa green and red. For those na mga medyo bold. So baka sa Christmas lumabas ang green color at red ang Realme Buds Air Neo. Bit more playful but more affordable. Nice. Really nice. Final one is the PowerBank 2. This one. From the box you'd see that it's black, right? Pero syempre tinignan ko kagad yung likod. Ano ba yung color nito? Ang color nito ay ta-da! Alright, so syempre most people would go for black. Medyo mas simple, mas discreet, medyo mas sleek tignan. Pero I don't know why yung yellow ng Realme, it's just so nice and fresh to the eyes. and easy to look at. Hindi siya masakit na yellow. If mo yung power bank, then you get it. First, let's put this aside. Let's check out what's inside the box. Power bank, Realme user manual, and also yung cable niya. Let's look at the charger, Type A USB, and on the other end is the Type C adapter. Type kita. Micro USB. So this one is nice kasi at least you can charge many devices here for the micro USB and also yung Type C devices nyo. Features of this battery. At the bottom, you can see just some of the details. 10,000 milliamp battery. On the side, there's no button. In the front is the Realme branding. On the side, the other side, wala din. And on top is the Type C, power button, battery indicator, and also USB Type A. Now, in front is Realme branded, but it's texturized, so it's easier to grip. It won't slip out your hands, but still classy. Now, what's nice about this power bank is that it's 18 watts charging and also recharging your power bank. Fast charging speeds for your gadgets. This one also has a feature for charging your AIoT devices with its low current charging. This one also has a safety feature for charging your AIoT devices. So low current charging, making sure na ma-charge properly at the right speed yung AIoT devices nyo, maybe headphones, bands, no, and so much more. All you have to do is double tap yung power button nila. And then may mga slow tracker na you can see it's activated already. This power bank also has a lot of safety features in it, making sure that it's safe for you to use it even if high speed charging siya. Also doesn't have any degradation in its battery capacity. Pero yun ang nagiging problem kasi ng ibang power banks. So nagde-degrade yung battery capacity niya. But for this one, after 500 charges, that's a lot of time. That's a lot of juice being used in this power bank. Pero baka that time, bibili ka ng Realme PowerBank 3. Malay mo. You don't know. Young, hip, trendy. Also available in black color. This one. Nice. Alright, so maybe you guys are wondering on the price. Let's talk about the price right now. The backpack is priced at... Ta-da! Si Realme, every time mag-launch sila, sold out ang items sila. Especially the AIoT products like the Realme Band and the Realme Buds Air. Pero ngayon that they're launching the Realme Buds Air Neo, the power bank and the adventure backpack, I'm pretty sure it's gonna sold out in minutes also. That's why they have promos running sa Lazada at sa Shopee. Alright, so let's start off with the price first. The SRP price of the Realme Buds Air Neo, 1,990 pesos. What? Alright, so 1,990 pesos. Really affordable, quality features, long playback, super bass boost, multi-touch function pa sa headphones siya, and also customizable. And it's affordable. Affordable, quality headphones for you and your Realme phone. So 1,990 pesos is super sulit na. I tell you, you can't find other headphones that is priced like this at this quality. Really good one, I tell you. The Realme PowerBank 2, the SRP of this one is 1,190. So check it out with really nice features, safety features also. I think ang magiging comment ko lang with the PowerBank is that sana dalawa ang kanyang USB slot para you can have another phone charging or have your AIoT devices charging on the other one and you charging the phone. Maybe do sa Realme PowerBank 3, sana mayroon na siyang wireless charging. Yes, that's my wish. Okay, so ang price nito ay 1,190 SRP. Really affordable, quality power bank from Realme with a lot of features, safety features, fast charging, 18 watt, at meron din siyang low current charging for your AIoT devices. Sulit na siya for that price. Alright guys, that is it for me. That's a quick initial impressions and review of the new Realme AIoT devices. Backpack, the PowerBank 2, and the Realme Buds Air Neo. If you like that video, please make sure to hit that button If you haven't subscribed already, please do. It would really help out the channel. If you'd like to reach out to me, I have a Facebook page. It's Mix of Everything Lifestyle Blog. I'm also on Twitter and on Instagram. Handle is @MikeSoon. MYKESOON. I have a blog also, mixofeverything.net. There you will see more updates on the Realme products and so much more. Alright, so that is it. That's it for me. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Mike, Mr. Mix of Everything, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey team, welcome back to the channel. Wang pa.